Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add manual assets and Rocket Money. So actually guys, yes, you can add it. You can add a manual asset and this app to include the valuable items or accounts that aren't linked to a financial institution, helping you maintain a more complete view of your net worth. So the net worth feature, including manually added assets, is available to the Rocket Money Premium members. So that's as a note. So you all need to get the premium version of this app. So then guys, to add a manual asset in it, you will need to open it and tap more in the bottom navigation bar. So you will find more here or something like 3 dots. So I can't proceed to this step because my Capital One bank is blocked. So I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So after tapping on the 3 dots or more at the bottom navigation bar, you will need then to select the net worth and tap the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then just select the asset tab and choose add manually instead of linking an account, and select the type of asset you want to add. Then just enter the asset's name and current value, then tap on save to add it to your net worth. So the asset types you can add manually, we have the cash, gold and silver, jewelry, instruments, boats, and some other assets. So these manually added assets are included in your net worth calculation alongside your linked accounts. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.